If you need to create custom label templates in Microsoft Word, this tutorial is going to save you a lot of time. Whether you're making shipping labels, product labels, address labels, or any other kind of printable label, Word gives you a simple way to build your own reusable template from scratch. And the best part is, once you set it up correctly, you can save it and use it again anytime you need it. So if this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look at the top menu and go to the Mailings tab. The Mailings tab is where Microsoft Word keeps all of its label and envelope tools, so this is the first place you want to go when building a custom label sheet. Next, click Labels. This opens the label creation window where you can choose a preset label or create a completely custom one. After that, click Options. This is where you'll find the settings for different label vendors and formats, but since we want a custom template, we're gonna go a step further. Click New Label. Now Word will let you define your own label layout from scratch, which is exactly what you need if your label size does not match any of the built-in presets. At this point, you'll need to enter the label details carefully. Start by giving your label a clear label name so you can recognize it later. Then choose the page size, depending on whether you're printing on letter, A4, or another paper size. After that, set the label width and the label height to match your exact design. This part is important because even a small measurement mistake can throw off the whole sheet when you print. Next, set the margins and pitch. Margins control the spacing around the page, while pitch controls the distance between each label on the sheet. If your labels are going to print correctly, these measurements need to match the real physical layout as closely as possible. Once all the details are filled in, click OK. Word will now save those custom label settings. From there, click New Document. This creates a fresh document using your custom label template, and you'll see a grid layout that represents your labels. Now you can design each label however you want. You can add text, logos, products names, addresses, barcodes, or any other content your project requires. You can format the font, adjust spacing, insert images, and make the labels look exactly the way you want before printing. Take your time here and make sure the layout looks clean and professional. When your design is finished, save the file as a Word document so you can reuse it later. That way, you won't have to rebuild the label template every single time. You can simply open the saved document, update the content, and print whenever you need it. And that's how you make custom label templates in Microsoft Word. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of time for business, office, or personal projects. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.